the Speak English podcast.
Hello, dear English learners. Welcome to a very special episode of the Speak English podcast. I'm Ella.
And I'm Michael. Today, we aren't just listening. Today, we are speaking.
We know it's scary sometimes. You have the words in your head, but they get stuck in your throat.
That's why we're doing the shadowing challenge. Shadowing is like being an echo. You listen to my voice and you repeat exactly what I say, the sound, the speed, and the feeling.
Don't worry about being perfect. This is day 1 of our 5-day challenge. If you make a mistake, smile. It means you're trying.
Before we start, promise us one thing. Don't give up today.
Ready? Let's warm up. We will say 30 sentences. I will say it once, then there will be a pause for you to speak out loud. Let's begin.
I am finding my voice in English.
I am finding my voice in English.
My pronunciation gets better every day.
My pronunciation gets better every day.
I enjoy the sound of my English voice.
I enjoy the sound of my English voice.
Mistakes are just lessons in disguise.
Mistakes are just lessons in disguise.
I speak with a clear and steady rhythm.
I speak with a clear and steady rhythm.
Learning English opens new doors for me.
Learning English opens new doors for me.
I am calm when I speak to others.
I am calm when I speak to others.
Every word I say builds my strength.
Every word I say builds my strength.
I am proud of how far I have come.
I am proud of how far I have come.
I believe in my ability to communicate.
I believe in my ability to communicate.
I can explain my ideas clearly in meetings.
I can explain my ideas clearly in meetings.
I am mastering the language of business.
I am mastering the language of business.
My hard work creates my future success.
My hard work creates my future success.
I am comfortable talking about data and facts.
I am comfortable talking about data and facts.
I express my opinions with confidence.
I express my opinions with confidence.
I understand complex topics more easily now.
I understand complex topics more easily now.
I am a professional and capable speaker.
I am a professional and capable speaker.
I am prepared for every challenge I face.
I am prepared for every challenge I face.
My vocabulary is growing richer every week.
My vocabulary is growing richer every week.
I am an active participant in every conversation.
I am an active participant in every conversation.
English is a tool that I use every day.
English is a tool that I use every day.
I don't need to be perfect to be understood.
I don't need to be perfect to be understood.
I breathe deeply and speak slowly.
I breathe deeply and speak slowly.
My journey is unique and I trust the process.
My journey is unique and I trust the process.
I am not afraid of long sentences anymore.
I am not afraid of long sentences anymore.
I listen to the music of the English language.
I listen to the music of the English language.
I am becoming the speaker I want to be.
I am becoming the speaker I want to be.
Consistency is my secret weapon for fluency.
Consistency is my secret weapon for fluency.
I show up for myself even when it is hard.
I show up for myself even when it is hard.
This is just the beginning of my great success.
This is just the beginning of my great success.
Incredible! You just spoke 34 sentences in English. How does your mouth feel?
A little tired? That's good. You're using muscles you don't normally use. That is progress.
You have officially completed day 1 of the challenge.
If you enjoyed this, please like the video and subscribe. We want to see you here tomorrow for day 2.
Leave a comment. Which sentence was your favorite?
Mine was, mistakes are lessons in disguise.
You were supposed to practice speaking today, and you absolutely nailed it.
See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.